In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lasso in Photopea. Now first, you want to select an image where you want to use the lasso on, and the lasso tool is the third over here on the list. And if you right click on it, as you can see, there are three lasso tools. So the lasso select, polygonal lasso select, and the magnetic lasso select. Now I'm gonna cover each and every single one of these three. Now the first one is lasso select, where you can basically hand select an object. So you just zoom in for better vision and then just click and hold the lasso, okay? And you hold it and you make a selection. Now this can be difficult if you're not used to the mouse, or if you're maybe dealing with an image that has kind of rough edges or stuff like that, but that is pretty much how you use it. You just go around the image, and once you're done, as you can see, let's say this is the end of the image here. Once you're done, you just let go of the left mouse click and it's going to make a selection, and then you can use that selection to copy and paste that part and then use it in a different image or edit it or do however you want to. Now the second one is the polygonal lasso tool, okay? Polygonal lasso select. Now this one is a little different, since you don't have to hold down the key essentially, but you have to click on the borders. So we just click and then make another point, another one, another one, another one, and as you can see, I'm slowly making a selection by clicking, and every time you click, it makes a new selection. Now if I go off this image so we can see better, as you can see, every time I click, it makes another point from where you can then go towards a different direction. And this is very useful if an image you're trying to cut out or select has very rough edges. And also it can be useful for round edges as well, as I did here. You just have to make smaller adjustments. Now in order to finish this, you just simply have to select an object you'd like to select and then click on enter, or just come to the edge. As you can see, I've come to the edge. If I make a triangle over here, go to the edge, bam, you've selected it. But you can also just press enter anywhere it is, and it's going to connect automatically for you. Now to deselect, you can press Ctrl D and everything is going to disappear. Now let's say I selected this part of his this teddy bear's head, okay, and press enter, and I do not want this selection anymore. Press Ctrl D and you're done. Now the last one, which is probably the most usable in my scenario, is the magnetic lasso tool, which can auto detect edges and make a selection according to that. So you just click on where you want to start, and then just simply drag your mouse without clicking anything over the edges, and as you can see, it auto selects the edges, and it's honestly pretty good since the background is much different to the image in my case. And let's say I want to cut out his head over here, just go over here, and you can do this quickly or slowly for more precise selections. I'm going to do it quickly for the instance of this video. Once you come to the end, you simply press enter, and as you can see, the selection has been made. And if I now copy and paste that part, you can see it did a pretty good job, okay? And that's how you use the lasso in Photopea, all three of the lasso variations, and I hope this video helped you out.